Dear students, now we will learn some application special type. For example first, evaluate 105 square. So using identity, so don't multiply like that 100 multiply 105 into 105, this will be wrong. So how to express it using identity? You can write 100 plus 5, 105 as 100 plus 5 whole power 2. So 100 become A and 5 become B, and then we can express using the identity A plus B whole power 2. So it become 100 square A square plus B square 5 square plus 2 multiply 100 into 5 is equal to 10,000 plus 25 plus 1000. We can add them, is equal to 0 to 5 will be the answer. There are three parts. This will be the first part of the same question. Now the second part 47 square. So we can write 47 as 50 minus 3. You take the nearest place value, estimated place value of the number. Now this is in form of A minus B whole power 2. So it can write 50 square plus 3 square minus 2 into 50 into 3 is equal to 2500 plus 9 plus 300 is equal to 2809 will be the answer. Now the third part, third part 8.3 into 7.7. So 8.3 nearest value is 10. So we can write 10 minus 1.7. We can use it similarly. 8 plus 0.3 into 8 minus 0.3. 8.3 can write 8 plus 0.3 and 8 minus 0.3. Now this is in form of A plus B into A minus B. So we can write A square minus B square is equal to 64 minus 0.09. So we can subtract it, is equal to 63.01. Now the next example, number 7 of your book. Find value the given expression here. Solution here, the given expression (25x square plus 9y square plus 30xy). So if they are, now this is the converse use of the identity. So we can write it, this is in form of a square plus b square plus 2 multiply 5x into 3y. You, when there are three terms, so you have to check the perfect square term only. No need to check this one, इसको आपको कंसिडर ही नहीं करना है. No need to consider this one. So 25x square can write as 5x whole power 2, 9y square as 3y whole power 2. So this become a square, this become b square और 2ab. So a को आप, हमारा a होगा 5x और b हमारा होगा 3y. So we can write a plus, you know, a square plus b square plus 2ab, the converse identity is equal to a plus b whole power 2. So you have to learn the identity directly or conversely from both the sides. So now you can put the value a plus b whole power 2. So it can write 5x, b की वैल्यू आपको 3y लिखना है और आपको तीसरा जो साइन होगा ये वाला साइन, if this is minus then you use minus, if this is plus then use plus whole power 2. He is asking here to find value. So now you can put value which is given in the question, putting x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 10. तो आपकी वैल्यू बिकम 5 into 8 plus 3 into 10 is equal to 40 plus 30 power 2 is equal to 70 power 2 is equal to 4900 will be the answer. Now the question number 9, example number 9. If x plus 1 upon x is equal to 5, then find number 1 x square plus 1 upon x square, number 2 x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. सॉल्यूशन, आपके पास जो भी वैल्यू है, हमारे पास पहला क्वेश्चन है, वी हैव द वैल्यू ऑफ x प्लस 1 अपॉन x एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 अपॉन x स्क्वायर. तो व्हेन यू हैव एनी वन ऑफ द वैल्यू आउट ऑफ दीज टू, दोनों में से कोई भी वैल्यू होती है आपके पास, सम क्वेश्चंस, इन सम क्वेश्चंस देयर विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस वन और इन सम क्वेश्चंस देयर विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस वन. तो इन बोथ द केसेस यू कैन स्टार्ट टेकिंग द स्क्वायर ऑफ दिस नंबर. तो हम इसको लिखेंगे सॉल्यूशन में, वी नो x प्लस 1 अपॉन x पावर 2, this is in form of a plus b whole power 2. So x square plus 1 upon x square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 1 upon x, x x कैंसिल कर देंगे. तो now you have, इसको we can close it in bracket. So now you have 2. So any one of the value will be given in the question, you can put it what is given in the question. In this question we have the x plus 1 upon x is equal to 5. So give the command putting x plus 1 upon x is equal to 5. So it become 5 square is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. हमें इसकी वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, तो 2 इधर आकर के माइनस हो जाएगा. सो वी कैन राइट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 25 माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू 23. Now you have the value of x square plus 1 upon square, and when we want to find here 1 upon x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4, तो दोनों में फिर रिलेशन है. तो अगेन यू कैन फाइंड द स्क्वायर ऑफ दिस वन, जो भी इनमें कम पावर होती है. सो अगेन यू कैन राइट, अगेन x square plus 1 upon x square whole power 2 is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. X square can cancel to x square, and now we have x square plus 1 upon x square power 2 is equal to x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4 plus 2. You can close it in bracket, and now you can give the value of this one. So you can give command putting x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 23. So it becomes 23 square is equal to x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4 plus 2. You can transfer 2 in this side, so you get x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4 is equal to 529 minus 2 is equal to 527. This will be the answer.